Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a calendar in Notion. Let's get started. First, go to notion.com, click on Login up here, then just choose from these options which account you want to use. This action will lead you to your Notion page. Here at the top left corner, click on this pencil icon to create a new page. Just label your new page however you like, and then down here, type in / from your keyboard, then type calendar again, and click on calendar view from the drop-down menu. And then this will create a blank calendar like this. Since it is July right now, the default month is set to July 2025. If you want to switch between months, you can click on this arrow right here to go back, or this arrow here to go to the next month like this, August 2025. Next, you can click on this option here or this option here to create templates for new databases by clicking on New Template down here. And this will open a new tab where you can customize your templates. Next, clicking on Manage a Calendar will open a new tab leading you to Notion Calendar. In here, you can customize your calendar in a more detailed and precise way. So for example, you have a meeting tomorrow, July 24. Just scroll down and look for July 24. Click on this plus icon to add an item. Label it however you like, and then set the date, set some tags, add some properties. You can also add comments right here, and then commands down here. Clicking on this three-dot icon right here will open more options for you to customize, like the font of your text. If you want to copy link and send it to other people, you can also duplicate this, delete this, make the text smaller like that, add some table of contents, customize your layout, and more. And that is how you can create a calendar in Notion. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.